Is Expensify no longer sparking joy in your financial life? Perhaps your company switched expense management platforms, or maybe you're just streamlining your subscriptions. Whatever the reason, if you're wondering, how do I cancel my Expensify account? You've come to the right place. It's a question many of us face as our digital footprints evolve, and while it might seem like a straightforward task, navigating account cancellations can sometimes be a bit like an escape room. A few hidden steps and a secret code or two. We've all been there. You sign up for a service, it serves its purpose for a while, and then the time comes to say goodbye. But where's the cancel account button? Is it buried deep in the settings? Do you need to send a carrier pigeon with a formal request? Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but you get the idea. The good news is, canceling your Expensify account isn't nearly as complicated as it might seem. There are a few key things to keep in mind, depending on whether you're an individual user, part of a company policy, or even the policy administrator. First things first, if you're a member of a company's Expensify policy, you generally won't be able to cancel your account in the traditional sense. Your access is typically managed by your company's Expensify administrator. If you no longer need access, the best course of action is to reach out to your internal administrator. They will be able to remove you from the policy, which effectively severs your connection to that specific Expensify account. This is important because while your personal access is removed, the company's Expensify account will remain active. Think of it like being removed from a group project. The project continues, but your individual contribution ends. Now, if you're an individual user who signed up for Expensify directly, or if you're the policy administrator for your company and you're looking to shut down the entire Expensify policy, the process is a bit different. For individual users, the cancellation option is usually found within your account settings. You'll want to log into your Expensify account on the web. The mobile app typically has more limited administrative functions. Look for sections like Settings, Account, or Billing. Within these areas, you should find an option to close or cancel your account. Be prepared for a confirmation step, and Expensify might ask for feedback on why you're leaving. This is standard practice for most online services. For policy administrators, canceling an entire company policy involves a more definitive step. You'll need to navigate to your admin settings, often under a policy or company tab. There, you'll usually find an option to close policy or cancel subscription. This action will effectively terminate the Expensify service for all users under that policy. Before doing this, it's crucial to ensure all necessary data has been exported and all outstanding reports have been processed. Once a policy is closed, accessing past data can become significantly more challenging, if not impossible. So, a quick data audit is highly recommended beforehand. Regardless of your user type, remember that any outstanding expenses or reports should be reconciled before you initiate a cancellation. This ensures a smooth transition and prevents any future headaches down the line. It's always best to leave no loose ends when it comes to financial data. Expensify is a powerful tool, but like any tool, there comes a time when you might need to put it down. Knowing how to do so efficiently saves you time and potential frustration. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.